How to fix the need to verify your account in order to perform this action in Discord. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. If you are having such notification, then this means you need to verify your Gmail that is associated with the Discord. Now if you don't know how, you can easily do so. Start off by launching your Discord application in your device. In your Discord, you can head back from your server. Now at the bottom, you will see the profile icon. Tap on over here. Then, in your top right corner, you will see your settings. Click on this given settings option. Under account settings, you will see account. You need to click on over here. Now in the account information, you will see email. You need to click on send verification code. Then check out your email address. Head over to your Gmail. In your Gmail, you will see the verification code. Just copy the given verification code. Once you do so, now again enable your Discord and paste the copied code. Then tap on the next button. Once you are verified, then you can proceed with the action. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.